Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Today, we're going to talk about speech communication. Are you ready to listen? Then, let's begin. Before we proceed, are you ready for a challenge? Express this statement, I love myself, with a twist. First, express it without using any part of your body. Go ahead. That's nice. The second one, without opening your mouth. Try it. And the last one, freely using any part of your body. Come on. Thank you for your participation. But which among the three did you find the most meaningful to do? The third one? I agree. To be able to express ourselves effectively, we must include our body parts. Now, let's define communication. It is a two-way process by which information is exchanged between or among individuals through a common system of symbols, signs, and behavior. Now, why do we communicate? Here are the reasons. To form relationships, to inform or to share ideas, and lastly, to persuade. Living without communicating is useless. Do you agree or disagree? Yes, I agree too. Now, let's define speech communication. It is the scientific study of human symbolic behavior in many forms. It is the process by which verbal and non-verbal symbols are sent, received, and given meaning by the people who share informations, ideas, feelings, and aspirations. We have different types of communication. Let's discuss them one by one. But then again, before we proceed, I have another challenge. Guess the word. All you have to do is to inspect each picture carefully, put them together, and guess the word. Are you ready? Let's do this. The first one. What do you think is the word behind these pictures? Correct. Small group communication. The second one. The correct answer here is interpersonal. The third one. Here we have mediated. Correct. The fourth one. What do you think is the word? Very good. It's intrapersonal. And last one. Yes, the answer here is audience. All these words will be discussed later as we proceed with our discussion. Now, let us have the first type of communication, intrapersonal. It occurs within us. It involves understanding and sharing meaning with ourselves. The channel is our brain. This type of communication is also called self-talk. The second one is interpersonal communication. It happens mostly between two people, though it may include more than two. The main purpose is to solve a problem, to share information, and to fulfill social needs. Some types of interpersonal communication include conversation, dialogue, and interview. The third one is small group communication. It involves three or more people. It mostly happens in social organizations such as civic groups, clubs, church assemblies, and etc. The main purpose of small group communication is to solve a problem or arrive at a certain decision. Then we have public communication. It takes place when a sender-receiver sends a message to an audience. It is also called public speaking, but it is formal, structured, and planned. Some examples are lecture, seminar, sermon, concert, and etc. Lastly, we have mediated communication. It is a process by which a message or communication is transmitted via some form of technological medium. This includes email, blogging, video conferencing, and etc. Now for your homework, explain this statement. Communication makes us human. That's it for our lesson today. Thank you very much for watching and for listening. I will see you again. This is your Maestra Mela, always at your service.